Hey guys, welcome back to the shed. Today we're turning this into this. We're well on our way to finishing the Paramotor. The only things we've got left to do is to mount the engine, plumb everything in and then run the engine in. Enough chat, let's get to rebuilding this throttle. First of all, let's strip this apart. Once I've got everything dismantled, I'll be tidying up each part before I rewire the new buttons. I'll wash the outer sheath to get rid of any dirt and oil, paint the lever shroud and polish the lever as well. If you don't know how to polish aluminium, check out my polishing video at the top right of the screen. I'll need to cut a new handle as this old one has been smushed by a previous owner. Any piece of 22mm pipe will do. I've nicked this from an old bicycle. I've also got 2 new switches, 4-core cable and some smaller gauge pipe. Let's put this thing together. I'll start by reassembling the lever, that's the easy bit. Next, I'll measure and drill a hole for the wire, making sure to remove any burrs that might rub against the sheathing. Add the lever to the position that's comfortable, cut the handlebar grip to length, and slide on both pieces with a new strap. I'm going to have to cut 2 small pieces of pipe to house the switches. The only reason I'm doing this is because I should have brought larger switches. Let's feed the 4-core through the handle, connect up them switches, pop them into the ends of the handle, route the wire through the sheath, and we're done. One rebuilt throttle. Thanks for watching this video guys. If you've liked it, let me know by giving it a thumbs up. If you've loved it, subscribe. And as always, I'll see you up in the air.